Hi guys, comment vous allez? C'est Ralph, la voix d'or, moi Colombie. Moi viens faire suivre moi dans barbershop Colombie. Colombie guys, avec seulement $100, nous sommes millionnaires. Donc 1 million, 2 millions. En tout cas guys, venez avec. Hola. Hola. ¿Qué es lo que? ¿Qué es lo que? ¿Dónde está mi pana? No sé. ¿Qué es lo que, papá? Este país es un país de los millonarios, eh. Bueno, ¿qué pasó? Venga. Claro. Hola. Hola. Mira, hermano, hoy quiero que tú me quieras bien bonito, ¿sabes? Bien bonito, bien lindo. Y voy a tratar de darte $1 millón de pesos para eso. Hola.
What you're doing here?
I just come to open a big store right here.
A big store here in Cancun? Here's the perfect place to
That's
do
nice,
it.
that's
Yeah,
nice, that's
you like here, the beach?
I like everything. Everything is nice.
Oh.
So it's a company, you say, just to help the children, right?
Yeah, just a couple of
And as I'm from Haiti, you know Haiti, we help people, so I want to help.
There's a lot of
Yeah.
a lot of help that needs
No
to be
problem.
done.
So show me how to help.
He's just the information to contact, the email.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna give you my email address.
Oh yeah. Well, first your name.
My name is Rolf.
Rolf, and your last name.
You can put it like this. Rolf might be
Your second, George.